How to add audio spectrum in CapCut. Hello guys, this is Sarah from Create, Login, and Delete. Let's get started. So first, go ahead and open CapCut. Click on New Project, and then select the video, and click on Add at the bottom. Once you add your video, click on Text at the bottom, and then select Stickers. So right now, as the audio spectrum is popular, you can see under this hot section right here. If you can't find it there, click on this bell icon, and you will see it over here as well. So you just need to click on it and it will appear in your video. So you can drag this audio spectrum where you want in your video. You can change the size by dragging this icon. You can also duplicate it by clicking on this icon here. So as you can see, there is now 2 of them. So click on this tick mark if you want to save this. You can drag to change the start and the end of this spectrum. So you can just drag this part here and it will only appear in this portion of the video. So if you want it till the end, you can drag it up till the end. And if you only want it there, you can put it there as well. So you can just drag at what timing you want the spectrum. And once you're ready to download, click on this export icon right here. And it will be saved to your phone. So this is how to add audio spectrum in CapCut. Thanks for watching till the end, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.